Hello, my name is Arthur, and in the past few videos we've been putting together our search bar function, and I've discovered that there's going to be a need for a major bug fix. So my idea has a major bug, and it turns out that major bug is that it doesn't work the way that I've done it. So we're going to have to fix that and get it working. So what I've done is I've opened up multiple documents and I've reperformed the search, and what I discover is that we're now throwing a whole bunch of errors. So that's not very workable. So it's throwing errors. It's hard to see them moving other than the numbers for, I think that's a timestamp. Um, yeah, I know what's going on. It's not that big of a deal, but it will require a significant overhaul. And hopefully we'll be able to do it using search and replace. So the problem is there's only one text tag. So I decided, oh, I can put the search tag as a global thing. Except with each new tab, search tag will belong to the new tab. So the old tab, its tag doesn't exist anymore. So this can't just simply be made global. That's an oversimplification of what we need. So we're going to cut this out of here. And text tags for pages will have to be part of the structure for the pages. So we'll go like this. Now we need to fix add tab. So where we add the tab, because we need the text tag to be part of that tab. So we'll just scroll down to add tab. So here we're going and adding the tab right in here. Adding the tag, I should say. So that would have to read like this. Book, page, search tag. Now is the part where we have to change everywhere that search tag exists. So that one could be a little bit more difficult. So yeah, let's do a search for search tag. "12 of 13 matches. So that's in the structure. Here we're going to have to go book, at page, dot tag, and we'll just copy this now. So we'll copy it and paste it in at all of the results. I think it would be better than trying to do a search and replace, because that will change it everywhere, and we don't want it to change absolutely everywhere. So we'll have to do this all the way down to the end of the search function, and hopefully that will fix this bug. So I think that's the last one. That's when we hide the search and we take the tag off. So hopefully that's all of them. And yeah, we're down to search tag here. So let's attempt to compile that. And we'll run. We'll load a document up. So we'll load our test document that we usually load up. We'll load up another document. We just won't save anything, so this is just a copy of an earlier copy of the same program. So let's go back here. We'll attempt to do a search and see if it starts throwing errors now. Okay, so now we're able to do that. I think there might also be yeah, when we change tabs, I don't know how a search would work here. Let's actually try that on this one. We'll just load up the text document and see how a search acts here. So we're going to pick something that I know is in both documents. So we'll search that one in this document. And yeah, that's the same behavior, like it's not putting the search into this document. But if we did this, I'd imagine that would change. And then it would start highlighting a widget everywhere. So I think that behavior is right. So we would actually have to do a search to find all of the instances of TextEditor in the other document. But that gets it working so that we're not throwing a bunch of errors, and each page has its own tag. So that wasn't all that painful, but yeah, I probably should have been investigating more what would happen with a search in multiple tabs open. Because I probably would have seen this sooner, but I kind of tend towards pressing into a new video, so I didn't pick up on that error until I started exploring a bit and seeing how things were functioning. So yeah, that's a fix for that problem. That debugs that issue, and in the next video we'll come back and we'll be addressing the replace buttons. So hopefully that was helpful, and I'll try to drop a comment in my other video descriptions to point people towards this video to know how to fix this error that will come up for people following along with what I'm doing here, not that could prove an issue where people would get confused as to how that works, how to fix that. So hopefully this is helpful, and until the next video, take care.